Imagine a place where the lush green jungle meets modern luxury, where the whispering leaves are your soundtrack and the stars your nightlight. Picture a villa nestled in the heart of this wilderness with a sparkling swimming pool and a grill for a pig roast. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, this dream will transform into reality as we embark on an extraordinary journey to build this most beautiful villa with a swimming pool and a grill for pig roast, right in the middle of a jungle. Our first step in this ambitious project is to choose the perfect location. We seek a spot where the sun kisses the earth, where the breeze is cool and the terrain welcoming. Once we've found our ideal location, it's time to lay the foundation. This process involves digging deep into the ground, ensuring the base is strong and sturdy. Next, it's time to erect the walls. Each block is meticulously placed, each brick carefully laid until towering walls stand tall, a testament to our hard work. Now we turn our focus to the roof. The roof, a symbol of protection, is constructed with precision and care, providing a secure shelter against the elements. As the villa takes shape, we turn to the swimming pool. First, we outline the area for the pool. Then we dig deep into the earth, creating a hollow that will soon be filled with crystal clear water. A layer of concrete is applied, followed by a waterproof coating to ensure the pool remains leak-proof. Once this is done, tiles are laid, bringing a touch of elegance and sophistication to our pool. Now let's not forget about the grill for our pig roast. We begin by gathering stones from the surrounding area. These stones are arranged in a circular pattern, creating a sturdy base for our grill. A metal grate is placed on top, and voila, our grill is ready. With all elements in place, we now turn to the finishing touches. The villa is painted, the pool filled with water, and the surrounding area landscaped to enhance the natural beauty of the location. The result of our endeavor is a stunning villa, complete with a sparkling swimming pool and a grill for a pig roast, nestled in the heart of the jungle. It is a place where luxury meets nature, where tranquility reigns, and where adventure awaits. From choosing the perfect location to laying the final tile, we've journeyed together through the process of building this beautiful villa. It's been a journey of hard work, precision, and dedication. And the result? A beautiful villa that's not just a structure, but a dream turned reality, an oasis amidst the wilderness, a sanctuary where one can truly escape and experience the magic of the jungle. And so, the next time you find yourself yearning for an adventure, remember this villa. Remember the process, the dedication, the transformation of a dream into reality. Because in the end, it's not just about the final product, but the journey that leads us there.